Hey, quick question for my fellow food fanatics. Would you like to get paid every time you post that mouth-watering burger pic? Stick with me for the next 2 minutes and I'll show you how to turn dinner into dollars. Look, if you're already snapping photos, going live, and dropping 1 to 5-star reviews, you're basically doing free advertising for the restaurant, right? So why not collect a check for it? Here's the deal. I found a savings club that partners with popular fast food joints and the fancy spots in every major city. Members pay less than the cost of a single entree to join, then unlock deals like buy one, get one free meals, free appetizers, up to 50% off meals, even free desserts. And because you're the one spreading the word, every time someone signs up through your link, cha-ching, you get paid. It's that simple. Your followers don't just get another food review, they get insider deals nobody else is talking about. Like, here's the unlisted 2-for-1 sushi special, or flash this coupon code for a free dessert. You become the hero who saves them cash and elevates their dining game. Imagine this. Next month, you're live streaming at the hottest new taco bar. You drop your discount link in chat. 10 viewers join on the spot. The tacos you're eating are now paid for, plus you pocket a tidy commission. Do that twice a week and your side hobby just turned into an extra 4-figure income stream. If that sounds good, fill in the form. You'll get a free peek at the club's restaurant list and your personal affiliate dashboard. Sign up, grab your referral link, and post your first discount drop today. Because honestly, if you're going to eat anyway, you might as well get paid for it. See you on the inside.